Well, hey, if someone asked an AI right now, who is the best restoration company in our area, would your company's name come up? Probably not. And today I'm going to show you why. I see this every single week. We've got a restoration company with an amazing website, solid SEO, great online reputation with amazing 5-star Google reviews that are coming in consistently. They've got good crews, good response time. Everything's looking good, but they're still not getting the calls that they should be getting or the jobs they should be getting. Now, the reason we're seeing lately with the prevalence of AI almost every single time is they're only visible in one of 3 key places. Now, number 1, SEO. You've heard of it. It's been around forever. Search engine optimization. That's where someone types your query into Google, like water damage restoration near me. Your company's going to show up in the organic and maps results if you're doing things correctly. And then they call you if everything looks good. Now, this is still the most sustainable, cost-effective lead source and should be the foundation of all your digital marketing. So you don't want to abandon it just yet. But we have a couple other players that have joined the race to get you visible. Number 2 is AEO, or answer engine optimization. Google isn't just ranking pages anymore a la SEO, it's answering questions directly from their user base, like how long does mold remediation take? Google just tells them the answer. The question is whether your company is the source behind the answer. You're not just trying to rank anymore, you are trying to be the answer. And number 3 is GEO, or Generative Engine Optimization. This is where I think things are going. Someone opens up ChatGPT and asks, who's the best fire damage company near me? This AI, whether it's ChatGPT or Claude or any of the other list of the ones that are out there, isn't handing them a list. It's going to make a recommendation. You're either in that answer or you're not. There is no page 2 with GEO. Now, the restoration companies we see that are winning right now are getting ahead of the game and are building towards all 3. Not 1, not 2, all 3 of those areas: SEO, AEO, and GEO. So if you want more emergency restoration calls coming into your business, it's time to upgrade your strategy for 2026 and beyond. We need to start with these 3 essential tactics if you want your restoration business to get more leads by getting your internet marketing right. Visit our website or reach out to our team at Ironclad Restoration Marketing to schedule your free restoration audit and strategy session to get you on the right track today. We'll talk to you soon.